And good evening. So this is me, Ruchi. So I have ordered some stuff from Savannah that I want to show you guys. So I will show you what I ordered from Savannah versus what I got. So I think this is apparently my second time ordering from Savannah, like stuffs other than clothes. So these are not clothes, okay? So first is this bag. See, this is so pretty. Okay, let me open it. I broke up the ziplock, bro. मैं काम करने जाती हूँ and literally मेरे से कांड हो जाता है legit whatever. So this is the bag and it's so pretty. I will show you. See, this is how it looks and this is what I got. And like it's not that big, but it's very good. It is very nice. It has two zips. Like these are interconnected. But yeah, see, this print is so pretty, no? I loved it. And you know what? The material is very like unique and different. It's like a shiny kind of material. I don't know whether you guys are able to see or not, but it's really good. I either love it. I'm gonna keep it. So this is how it looks in my tote bag. You can see it's so nice. And I ordered because in our college many fests, many fashion shows and everything happens like always. So these are the sticker packs that I ordered. It's so nice. It's so pretty. I will show you. See, this is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. And this is the fourth one. So I got this four like around 90 rupees. I've got four sets for 90 rupees. I think it's quite affordable. Like whether you are going for a concert or anything. So the next thing that I want to show you guys is this bracelet. See, this is so pretty. This I ordered from Savannah. I don't have link for this right now. I didn't take the SS or anything, but this is so pretty. Wait, I will show you. Okay. See, it has cowrie cells in it and some stars, fans, and everything is there, and it's so nice. So coming back to this parcel. So first one is this. Okay, this is not a toilet cleaner, you guys. Please don't judge me. Okay, so this is for scrubbing your back and it's really good. Okay, the bristles are very soft and I think it's skin friendly also. You guys can actually buy this. This is really nice because anyways, aapka haath, it cannot go like this, no? So it's good. And so this one I was excited for. Let me show you. This is so pretty and trending. Okay, this is not like the normal flower ka clip that is trending right now. It is made up of foam like material. You can see. Okay, and see. And this is really good. Okay, it has a really good grip. Now coming back to the last parcel. So these are the two things that I ordered. Let me show you. So I ordered this charm for my tote bag. Okay. This is so pretty. Don't tell me, guys. This is so pretty. So pretty. I'm loving it. This is so nice. And I think I got it for 190 rupees. I think it's worth the price. The beads are so good. It's so big. It's really pretty. I think you can use it for like your phone case ka charm also. Phone charm. So I don't have iPhone, but if you guys have iPhone, like pink color wala, it will go well along with the iPhone. And the next and the last thing that I ordered is this. Okay, you must be thinking, what is this? So let me tell you, this is for eyelashes because I face like a real problem doing my lashes, like putting the mascara in down line. So what you have to do, you have to put it like this, and then you have to use the mascara like this, and you can easily use the mascara if you are a beginner. Also, I think you can use it like this for eyeliner as well. So this is very nice, and this is for eyebrow, if I'm not wrong, but I don't know. मैं खुद से बोल रही हूँ. But I think this tool is gonna be very useful and it's just for 90 rupees. So I was like, okay, let me give it a try. So I hope you like this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye. And like, love you guys. Meet you in the next vlog. Ta-da!